talent buyers don't want to see music videos because that doesn't really help them with what it's going to look like live. Festivals don't want to see music videos. So if you want to be a live act, maybe put your resources in making excellent live video clips, promotional videos, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, and I would recommend trying to control your, we work pretty diligently on controlling our YouTube content. And I think because, you know, an agent could just search your band name on YouTube and an iPhone video from when you played to 20 people in Mississippi could pop up.
This is not,
you know, or a cover, you know, randomly they're like, wait, this is a cover band? And you're just like, this is confusing. So you can, there's ways to go on YouTube and just politely, it's not polite, but you can get videos removed without having the users removed. So it's just, it's your copyright, you know, it's your image.
Oh, for sure. So that's what you did. So if you saw like crappy videos, iPhone videos in clubs that didn't represent you well, would you ask YouTube, be like, hey, can you just remove this video?
There's a form submission link and everything. It's super easy.